Shalom, 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 people of God. We are still on our series, The Sound of Abundance of Rain. Let's read 1 Kings chapter 18, verses 45 and 46. Now it happened in the meantime that the sky became black with clouds and wind, and there was a heavy rain. So Ahab rode away and went to Jezreel. Then the hand of the Lord came upon Elijah, and he girded up his loins and ran ahead of Ahab to the entrance of Jezreel. In this discourse, our focus is on how the prophet was able to run ahead of Ahab to the entrance of Jezreel with bare feet. Here is a clear picture of the environment and Elijah's condition prior to the start of the race. The Bible says the sky became dark with clouds. The wind started blowing and there was a heavy rain. We should also be mindful that at this time, Ahab was ahead of Elijah. Ahab was riding on a chariot whilst Elijah was not. And Jezreel was the destination. Based on these truths, we can deduce that Elijah was in a very difficult position and was disadvantaged compared with Ahab, who was riding on his chariot. But glory be to God, there was a game changer. That was the hand of the Lord, which symbolized power, strength, and speed, came upon the prophet of God. He girded his loins, that is, tucked up his long garment into his girdle, and ran to the entrance of Jezreel before Ahab reached there. This is why King Solomon said in Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 11, I returned and saw under the sun that the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong, nor bread to the wise, nor riches to men of understanding, nor favor to men of skill, but time and chance happen to them all. People of God, maybe things are not going well as it's supposed, or life is not treating you fairly as it should. And all indications and things surrounding you suggest that people you started with are way ahead of you. But do not fret. As the hand of the Lord came upon Elijah, it is my prayer that as you listen to this broadcast, you'll receive power, strength, and speed to win your race. May you be encouraged and know that God is never too late. And when He shows up to favor you, you will not only run, but you will leap and soar. I hope you'll be blessed by this message. Stay blessed and be a blessing.